What's up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here from OregonCarSource.com at Ron Talking Toyota on Saturday, Sunday, 22nd. I know it's been a while since my last walk around video, but we had a little bit of car shortage recently, and I mostly do videos on new cars. This is a 2022 Toyota Corolla Apex Special Edition. This is an even more unique one for a couple reasons. Number one is it's 2022. Number two, it's a manual transmission. And number three is this cement color. The cement color is only available on the Apex model. And let's talk a little more about the Apex model and what makes it different than your standard SE Corolla. Of course, this being an SE Corolla, it's got the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. It's got the new or the different front end design with the Triple J headlights. Apex Edition means it's got this lower spoiler here with these bronze accents, blackout emblem package. You're also going to have black mirrors and a black roof. In addition to that, we got this side skirt here with more of the bronze accents and these really cool black alloy wheels, 18-inch with Dunlop tires on it. Black badging continues on the back with your Apex badging there, lip spoiler like standard on all SE models. And then this is kind of neat too. It's coming from the factory with a performance exhaust system. Really nice looking car, unique looking Corolla. I'll take a quick moment to pop the hood for you here too. See if I can do it. There we go. So nothing new under the hood. We do have advanced keyless entry with push button start. Of course, all your power windows, power door locks, power mirrors here on the door. Manual driver's seat in this vehicle, and along with your manual transmission, but we still have push button start. The SE Corollas come really well equipped with the nice 7-inch touchscreen display, which is Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. Of course, it's going to have Bluetooth as well. It does have full Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 with adaptive radar cruise control, lane departure warning, and lane trace assist. Only 8 miles on this car right now. It is actually here and available for sale, which is really rare in late 2021. Most vehicles come into Toyota dealerships pre-sold. I'm sure this one won't be for sale long, but if you're in the market, please feel free to reach out to me. You can hit me up through the website, OregonCarSource.com, or give me a call, 503-875-5938. Again, it's Pat Covert at Ron Tonkin Toyota. Have a great day.